Your car guy here. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on this 2008 Toyota Sienna van. This is a very simple process to do. It should only take you about a minute to get accomplished. So we're going to get in and I'll turn the key on and I'll show you the maintenance required light that shows up on the top right of the dash display here. We'll see it right there to the right. Now, to reset this is very simple. We're going to look and make sure we're seeing our odometer display on the left. We'll turn the key back off. And then we're going to press the button right over there by the odometer, the reset button, and hold it in and turn the ignition on. Keep holding the button. You'll see on the right that our maintenance required light went out. Now we can verify that we've cleared it by shutting off the power again to the vehicle, and then we'll turn it back on. You'll see the maintenance required light is going to come on for a couple of seconds, and then it's going to go back out. We've cleared the maintenance schedule. We start the vehicle, verify, no maintenance required light. It's that simple. This is your car guy. Please like and share the videos and subscribe to the channel.